Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your account credentials and any two-factor setup so you won't be locked out. Once done, sign out on the old device via Settings Account Info, log out to avoid session conflicts. Make sure the Roblox app or a supported browser is installed on the new device before moving on. This prevents interruptions. If you use 2FA, have access to your authenticator or backup codes because you will need them during the sign-in on the new device. On the new device, open the Roblox app or website and choose Login. Enter your username, email, and password carefully. If two-factor authentication appears, enter the code from your authenticator or a backup code. This proves it's really you. Next, Roblox may ask you to verify the new device with an email or SMS approval. Follow those prompts promptly so the account links to the device. Make sure to check for any additional security prompts and approve them to complete the authentication. Finally, confirm your account settings, purchased items, and payment methods loaded correctly on the new device so nothing is missing. Re-enable or reconfigure device-specific settings like two-factor authentication, trusted devices, and app permissions for notifications and storage. If you encounter problems signing in, try resetting your password immediately, then use Roblox's account recovery via your registered email or SMS. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear the app cache.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.